Hello travellers, so today we're going to be taking a look at a couple of interesting, small and lightweight passport wallets that I've been testing and that I think are interesting options to consider if you are looking for a passport wallet. So let's start with this one here. This is the lifeventure passport wallet. Now I did buy this one with my own money on Amazon, and you'll notice it has an interesting small design which fits a passport, as you can see here. And it has a nice waterproof zipper around the edge. There's also a small pocket here, so if you wanted to quickly slip your password in or you're going through the boarding process, for example. Now on the inside here, you get an RFID section for your protection of your cards. You can fit your passport wallet in the middle or in any of these pockets like so. Now you also do get a zippered pocket here for coins or SIM cards and the like. This other one here with the screen is sort of hidden in between the seam there. So that would be great for putting SIM cards or coins as well. And then you get a pocket here and here. So there's 2 pockets plus a zippered pocket. And then on this side there's 2 pockets and a little mesh one here as well. Now you also do get a nice pen slot. So just down the end here. This is the Fisher, I think it's the military pen they call it. Has a metal construction, but that one just fits if you zip it up. So that is quite a nice one to carry in there. You could carry any other pens. The bullet space pen is another good example, and I have that one just here as well. So it's the bullet space pen, fits nicely in there, and it fits within the seams as well. So this one also does fit the field notes, and that's handy because sometimes I like to carry, a passport and the field notes, just in case I want to take a couple of notes or draw or something like that. But you will notice that this particular field notes one is just slightly taller than a passport, so it doesn't fit in some of the other ones like this one here, which I'll show you in a minute. Now this one I was sent here from Alpaca Gear. This is called the Zip Clutch, and it's slightly larger than the one I previously reviewed. This one here is the Zip Pouch Pro. You can see it's just a bit bigger there. Has similar features, so like the outside pockets, the water-resistant zips and so forth. So this one does have a couple of smaller slip pockets here, and those are great for putting a pen. So you can put one just there like that. Has a front waterproof pocket. Now it's just a single area. Great for coins or cards. You could even potentially use that front one as sort of like, like a place to keep money or backup, things like that. Now, one thing I will note is that when you first get this, initially you'll notice the zips are quite firm. They take a little bit of pressure, or if you hold it and pinch it at closest to where the zip meets the actual zipper, it's kind of easy to open and close. If you pull it just from the top, it can feel like it's a little bit more difficult to close. But I think that will get smoother with more wear, so the more you use it, the easier that will be to open. So one thing I like about this slip pocket at the back is you'll see it fits the passport. But often when you check in at the airport, they'll give you a ticket like this, and you can fold the top part down. But often you get like a large ticket, and you don't really want to fit it inside. And indeed this one doesn't fit with it in there unless you take it out separately. But it fits nicely in that slip pocket. So whilst you going from between check-in to getting on the flight and boarding, this is a great passport wallet for that. Now if I take the ticket out, it does fit nicely in there like so. The field notes also fits. Sometimes you have to shimmy it in, but that fits nicely. There's 2 separate pockets on either side here as well. So you can put cards. I'll just show you. Got a couple of these transport cards, so I'll put a couple down the side here, so it fits really well. Perfect for credit cards as well. And you could even put a couple of those down there as well. And so you can fit quite a lot in here, and it still feels nice and durable, and it's very lightweight as well. It does come in other colors. This is the orange, but it does come in black and green and a couple of other colors. This also here is the optional, I believe it's optional, although it might come with it. It's like a hand strap, so you can just hold it like a clutch. If you don't like that, though, you can just go ahead and pull that off and have like a nice minimal travel passport wallet. So the next one I'll take a look at is this one here. I also bought this on my own money many years ago. This is actually like a hip belt, so you put it's designed to be worn against your body to protect your, traveling money and passport and so forth. I tend to just use it for storage of my travel items and travel money when I'm not traveling. So I just kind of use it to keep all my old, transport cards, old coins and so forth. So because it's a money belt design, I just kind of keep all my money and cards in there. But if you do want to wear this, it does come with a nice soft belt that you can clip it around your body. The passport fits in both pockets down the front here, and of course in the main section here. So this one's a nice, very lightweight ultra seal design. As Citizen makes these nice bags, and it's high quality. I've had this one for so many years and it still looks like brand new. Alright, so the last one we're going to be taking a look at here is from, I believe it's an Australian company. I found this one on Amazon while I was just looking around. Bought it with my own money. It's called amzn Original. So it's quite an interesting design in that it has space for cards, like so. You can fit more than that as well, and you can also put cash in the side here. Or, if you want, your passport does fit perfectly in that space as well, like so. So as you can see, it's perfect for a passport. It's exactly the right size to fit a regular Australian size passport. And you can just slip that in your pocket. You can see it's a slightly bit smaller in dimensions to the zip clutch. So if you're looking for like the most minimal option, this is probably the one you want to go for. But you can also, once you take your passport out, you can just use it as like a, like a minimal wallet. Put your cards here and then, put cash in the middle. You could, of course, also put cash in the side with the passport in there. So you could use it as like a sort of a minimal cash passport travel wallet. But it's up to you. It does also have a little flip pocket here. So you could put coins or SIM cards in there, small items that you don't really want to fall out as easily. That little lip kind of keeps things from falling out. So there you go, that's a look at a couple of interesting, small, lightweight passport wallets. So if you are interested in any of those, the links will be down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a happy new year, and I'll see you in the next year.